What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades and today I bring you another special video. The Sunday stock watch list where I give you guys all my A+ setups, all the economic events, all the setups I don't like, all the earnings going on because it is earnings season. We do have a whole bunch of earnings going on this week. And we talk about our previous week, how did it go, what were we missing and all that good stuff. So before we go ahead and I talk about all the things that I want to talk about, I do sound a little different. I am a little sick right now. Hopefully not COVID, but yeah, I sound a little weird, a little off, but yeah, at least you guys know I'm a little sick. So hopefully I can trade this week. I should be able to if I'm good today. So today's Sunday, tomorrow's Monday. Before we go ahead and start this video, hit that like button. I got a few special videos coming on. I'll wait for you guys to do that right now. Yes, I see you. Yes, click that like button. Subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. What other stocks am I missing on these weekly watch lists that I could be making money on, or that I at least should be showing you guys on a weekly basis. So let's go over the economic calendar here. Last week we had the bond market closed on Thursday. Market was still open due to Veterans Day. So we do have a whole bunch of people speaking, as you guys can see. Tuesday, Wednesday we have a whole bunch of people speaking. Thursday we have a few people speaking. So it is a little action-packed week. Nothing major. I don't see Powell speaking, so that's a good sign. So if you want a clear picture, make sure you go to my Instagram, Trade Like Nour. It's all trading related. Also, if let's just say I missed something on my watch list or I want to update things throughout the week, it goes on Trade Like Nour. My main Instagram is Nour Trades, and I only have one more Instagram, which is StockHours. I also have Crypto Hours, but stock related, it's only Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours. So let's go ahead and start this video. Earnings. Here we go. So we have Lucid Monday, which a lot of you guys like to look at. I'll definitely be looking at Walmart Tuesday, Home Depot Tuesday. I'm not gonna try to pronounce this, Jumaya, but it's right here. This is something that it does move on earnings. Tuesday, that's all that it is. Wednesday though, Target, Nvidia, Baidu, however you guys want to say it, Cisco, Lowe's, Sonos. There's so much on Wednesday. I'm very excited about Nvidia and Baidu and Lowe's. Target is also a big one. Cisco's like, you know, whatever. Bath and Body Works also reports Wednesday. That's pretty insane. Thursday, Alibaba, that stock is having a rough year. You know, Macy's reports, JD, Ross, Kohl's, you know, Petco, Farfetch. There's a few of these companies that I do follow a little bit. Friday, Foot Locker Inc. Friday's dead. But Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday is like eh. But Tuesday and Wednesday are pretty action-packed. These are a few stocks that I do watch on a weekly basis, like especially like Walmart, you know, Nvidia, Baidu, Lowe's. Those are stocks that I do watch. So we'll see how that goes this week. So last week I gave you guys a whole bunch of bangers, but when do I not? You know, when do I not give you guys bangers? First of all, I will talk about Roku. So Roku was the only down play that I gave you guys last week. If you guys want to go watch that video, be my guest. So I talked about, let me zoom in for you guys. Actually, I'll put this on the 5-day so you guys can get an idea of what I was talking about. I talked about the 275 break. After 275 we have 272. After 270 we have room down to 268. And if we break 268 we have a gap down a couple dollars. Low of the week, 268. Roku is amazing. Airbnb, I gave you guys this one. I said I don't usually play this, but I'll bring it up just for you guys. We squeezed off the first day from 204 to 211. That was a big move. Nvidia, I said there was a double top, and if we broke that, we were going to squeeze through. We broke 314 all the way up to 327. Shopify, this one was big, up $180 on Friday. Put this on the 1 year. This is the exact chart I gave you Friday. I said this is breaking the trend. Even if you put this right here, breaking a trend, and it broke through here, and it broke $180. I was long on Shop. I ended up getting out Friday. I probably should have waited a little bit because this is at all-time high. I didn't think that through. Rushed that one, but definitely happy that I brought that up last Sunday. So for this week, I have a small watch list. Your watch lists don't have to be big every single week. Focus on the top main events here. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a symmetrical wedge on Tesla. Look at this, lining up very nicely, especially from the bottom side here. So I'm watching this from the downside. If this does get weak and we start falling under 1,000, we hit a low of 987 like 3 days ago. I'll be watching that. Now, if we break to the top side, it'll be pretty hard, but I will be watching 1120 to the upsides if I want to take a position on this. But for the downside, it'll be a little easy. I'm watching like 11 here. First thing I'm watching is 11 or 1019. If we break 1019, we have room down to 1012, and then from 1012 we have room down to 1,000, and then that 990, 987 was the low a couple days ago. So I will be watching for the aggressive move to either side. Also, Elon Musk is tweeting back at Bernie Sanders right now saying, "I thought you were dead," basically, because Bernie Sanders is talking about taxes, and then Elon Musk replied to his tweet and said, "I keep forgetting you're still alive, but I'll sell more stock if you want me to." Clear response from Elon Musk. That's what he's known for. So we'll see how that affects Tesla this week. Last time wasn't so hot. Shopify. Obviously, with something making all-time highs, this has to be on our watch. I will be watching 1675, and then from there I'll be watching 1700. From 1700, obviously, stock can continue to squeeze. This stock can very much move. Even if you put this on a 1 year, you can see this volume. You know, it wasn't just a big day on low volume. No, this was a pretty big day versus its average. 2.8 million versus its average of, you know, hold up, sorry, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, blah blah blah, a million, less than a million. And then you had one of these big days the other week, 3.7 million. So it's definitely larger than its average. You guys can see my volume indicator here. So Shopify is something that I'm watching. Netflix. I didn't think this was going to be on the watch list. I actually didn't even see this moving. It's up $25. Now what I'm going to be showing you guys is an inverse H here. So yes, we pulled back to this trend. We kind of broke under, but this was also pre-market. But keep an eye on this trend. We have an inverse H coming in. If you don't know what that is, I explained it. I think I have a video specifically on it. But you guys know what a lowercase h. This is an inverse H right here. Coming into 692. If you break 692, we're looking at 700. If 700 breaks, we have room up to 710, then 717. As you can see, there's a top trend here. So you always want to be careful and not get greedy. Yes, it may look like it's about to squeeze to 750 or whatever the case may be, but there is always sometimes a low-key trend here from the top side and the bottom side. So Netflix is something that I'm watching here. The next thing that I'm watching that I don't usually play because the spreads and the contracts, but look at this consolidation here. Yes, we're kind of a little far here. I'm watching 3,000 and then 3,012, obviously the high. But we are consolidating around this level where we keep getting rejected at. Yes, we may come down, but just in case we break through, I am watching this 3,000 level here. If we break 3,000, I am watching 312, 3012, and then from there, this can easily squeeze up to 3050 this week. So, depending on where that happens, that's something that I'm watching. Now, a few things that I didn't put on my list that I know a lot of people are looking at. Airbnb, this thing is coming back up here. 215 is a 4-hour high. On the 1 year, it's 219. So this is coming for all-time highs here. Another thing that's coming for all-time highs is Dash, I believe. That was something that I didn't add on here. Oh, 256. Yeah, it's right there. It hit a high of like 250. That's something to watch. One more thing. I just wanted to show you guys. I gave you guys Snow at 325 and I said this is the best looking chart on the market. Now look at the chart from 325. 386. I had 3,000 shares. I got out a little early. I got out at 345. My target on this was 375. No. My first target was 350, then 375, then 400. We just crossed the second target of 375 and now we're headed to 400, which is insane. And then the all-time high of 429. So Snow is just something to watch. Obviously, we'll watch the 400 break. The contracts have been terrible lately, so this is more of like a share play for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a smaller watch list. Keep it calm. I will add things to Trade Like Nour. Make sure you follow that Instagram because, yes, I have a small watch list, but when Monday comes through or Tuesday when all these earnings start coming in, things will change on my watch list. So make sure you follow Trade Like Nour on Instagram so you don't miss anything, my updated charts and all that good stuff. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.